Hey everybody, this is Melissa. If you've been here before, welcome back. If this is your first time, I would really appreciate it if you would take just a moment and hit that subscribe button, and that way you'll be the first to be notified when I upload a new tutorial. I'm just really excited you're all here, so let's go ahead and get started. So today I'm in Word, and I'm going to show you how to work with bulleted and numbered lists. Now I'm going to show you some basic functionality of the bulleted and numbered list, but then I'm going to get into a little bit more advanced formatting to where you can kind of make these your own in your own style. So what I have here is an almond flour biscuit recipe, and I'm going to make this just a regular bulleted list. So how I'm going to do that is I'm just going to highlight them, and I'm going to go up here under Home and go to Bullets, and I'm going to do my drop down. And this gives you a list of default bullets that you can do. I'm just going to pick the first one. And now what happens after we do that, wherever we hit enter, it's going to keep adding bullets until we tell it not to. So if we hit enter twice here, then it's going to take it back to a regular paragraph form, and then I can type let cool completely and enjoy. Okay? So let's say we want to make this a number format. Just highlight it from your Home tab, go over to Numbers, and then pick whatever style you want. Let's pick this one here. So one of the other things that we can do is, let's say that we want to put a header in between two of these and kind of split the list. So let's hit enter and enter again, and let's just say I want to do list 2. Okay, and let's say that I want this to be 1 through 4, but I want this one to start over as 1. I don't want it to go 1 through 9 like it did. I want it to start over and start from 1 again. So if I click on this 5 and it highlights all of these numbers, if I right click, I do restart from 1, then you can see it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is still 1, 2, 3, 4. If I click on it again and right click, I can tell it continue numbering, and it'll take it back to the 1 through 4 and then the 5 through 9. So I'm going to take this out here for the next thing I'm going to show you. So let's say that we want to move this writing and this text out a little bit from our bullet points. So if you look up on your ruler up here, you have what looks like a line and then an arrow pointing up. So if we hover on the line, that says left indent. If we click on that, watch what happens. It pulls the number and the text. So if we highlight all of our text and we hit that line indent, it's going to move the numbers and the text, which is not what we want to do in this case. If we highlight it and we hover over the top one, it says hanging indent. And if we move it, it's just going to move the text out away from the numbers a little bit. Now let's just say that you don't like any of the default bullet points. Like we don't like this one or this one, the check marks or this. We can define a new bullet. So let's go to define new bullet and let's go to symbol. And I like using wingdings because it has a lot of different symbols in there you can use. And let's just say that we want to make this a mailbox with the flag up. Let's pick that one. And let's tell it okay. Now we can do that and make it like the black and white outline of the mailbox, or we can go over here to font and go down to color, and we can make it, I don't know, orange, and tell it okay and okay. And now if you look, it changed them all to orange mailboxes. So now let's say that we want to do a multi-line indent. We can pick the one that we want to do. That one's pretty popular. So now if we add another line and we hit tab, it changes it to an A. Tab 1. Let's say it makes that one B. Let's say we hit tab again. And then we do it again. It's going to start over in parentheses. We do it again. It's going to go back to the A in double parentheses. And it's going to keep going. Now, if you want to change the bullet style throughout the entire list, highlight it all and go up to here. And you can change it, or you can go to your multi-line and you can tell it, you know, you want it to be that. And it'll change it throughout your entire list. If you have a bullet point, say that you need the 6 right below the 7, if you hit Shift and Tab, it moves it back out. And that's how you use bulleted and numbered list within Word. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, and get notified. And I'll be back tomorrow with another tutorial. Thanks so much for watching.